If you are looking for an awesome set of colored pencils, you're going to want to check these out. You're going to get over 120 of them, and it comes in all these colors. These are absolutely awesome. So it comes in this holder right here. I already like the fact that it comes in a case. We got a nice handle right here. And then when you open this up, just like this, you have all your colors. So you'll see here, the cool part about this is they are all numbered as well. So you'll see this one right here is 001 right there. And it also comes with this helpful guide right here. So for example, you could take 001 and then you could just mark this right here. So you know that's what the color is. So if you're looking for a specific color, you have this as a guide. You also have a tutorial booklet right here, which is really nice. And then it also comes with 2 sketch pads. So if you're looking for a great colored pencil set for yourself or for someone who loves to draw, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this for you.